Awesome news. I finally got permission to give away a kegerator. And these things are pretty killer. But I have a small caveat. I gotta get the subscribers on our YouTube channel to above 10,000. I think it'll be pretty easy, but here's my ask. If you're not a subscriber now, please consider subscribing. And if you have friends who brew or love great beer, share this with them as well. We put a ton of work into the YouTube channel in the last 6 months. We have the Mashup, which is Vito's show, Free Beer Friday, which is my show, and a ton of product videos and more to come, but we need your help. Once we get to 10,000 subscribers, we'll let you know how to win. You get to custom design the kegerator that's perfect for you. You're gonna love this thing. These kegerators are awesome. You can fit up to 4 slimline kegs in there. So please consider sharing and subscribing.